right, so I'm really excited to get to share this story with you. Um, it's called From Spellbinder: The Life of Harry Houdini. It's a biography by Tom Lalicky. I don't know if you ever watch America's Got Talent, but they always have magicians on there, and I'm always fascinated by all the tricks that they do in front of the judges. And in my mind, well, my mind is actually just blown because I can't figure out how they come up with these tricks and how they pull them off. To me, it's just simply amazing. I'm going to do our before reading here. I'm just going to go ahead and read this to you. Can you believe your eyes? If you've ever watched a movie full of incredible stunts and outrageous special effects, then you know you can't always believe what you see. Still, sometimes it's fun to play along with an illusion, even when we know the truth. In the following biography, you will read about Harry Houdini, an entertainer who thrilled audiences with his daring tricks, some of which weren't illusions at all. So it says to discuss. Sometimes it's simple to figure out how a trick is done. When an illusion is really impressive, however, it can be hard to convince yourself that it isn't real. With a small group, talk about some illusions you've seen that you just can't explain. And I know you're not in a classroom, but maybe just take some time right now to think about a few illusions that maybe you've seen, and like for yourself, you just, like me, when I saw it on America's Got Talent, I'm like, yeah, I'm just not understanding how they're able to do that. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes to think about that, and then I'll come back.